Contractors who delay invoicing by even a few days usually end up with slower payments because the job details, notes, and approvals become harder to track the longer they wait. By the end of this, you'll know how to invoice faster as a contractor, how to send invoices immediately after work is done, and how to reduce the time between completing a job and getting paid. Fast invoicing is not about rushing paperwork. It is about removing every step that sits between finishing a job and sending the invoice. The first step is invoicing directly from the job site. Instead of going back to the office or waiting until the end of the day, you create and send the invoice immediately after completion. This matters because delays increase the chance of missing details and slow down payment cycles. The second step is using job-linked invoices. Every invoice should automatically pull customer details, job notes, and service items from the completed job. This reduces manual entry and prevents errors that cause delays or disputes. The third step is standardizing your pricing structure. When services are clearly defined, you don't waste time rebuilding quotes or adjusting line items for every invoice. This makes invoicing a repeatable process instead of a custom task each time. The fourth step is using mobile invoicing tools. Being able to create and send invoices from your phone while still on site removes unnecessary waiting. This keeps your workflow continuous from job completion to payment request. The fifth step is adding instant payment options. When customers can pay directly from the invoice, you remove extra steps that slow down cash collection. This also reduces follow-up communication later. When comparing invoicing methods, the main differences between manual invoicing and integrated job-based invoicing. Manual invoicing requires gathering notes, building invoices separately, and sending them later. Integrated systems generate invoices automatically from completed jobs. The most efficient contractors don't treat invoicing as a separate task. They treat it as the final step of completing a job. Another key factor is consistency. When invoicing happens immediately every time, it becomes a habit instead of something that gets delayed. A practical next step is to review your last 5 completed jobs and measure how long it took to send each invoice. That delay shows exactly where your process is slowing down. If this helped you understand how to invoice faster as a contractor, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor systems and cash flow improvements.